A gray list is a term used in global finance to describe countries that are under increased monitoring for anti-money laundering compliance. This status acts as a formal warning from international bodies regarding a nation's financial systems. The Financial Action Task Force maintains these lists to pressure countries to improve their financial security and transparency. Countries land on the gray list when they fail to address strategic deficiencies in their financial oversight protocols. While the gray list indicates a country is working toward compliance, the black list represents a severe call for international sanctions. Being on the list often leads to reduced foreign investment and higher costs for banks when doing business internationally. Most countries see the gray list as a roadmap for necessary regulatory upgrades to regain international trust. Understanding these global standards helps you see how international finance regulations impact the broader economy. Thanks for watching.